Timeless beauty is like a magician for your skin, performing a series of remarkable tricks to restore youth and vitality. Imagine this product as a magic wand that, when applied, begins to dissipate wrinkles and fine lines, revealing smoother, more renewed skin. Let's explore each of their magical feats, which transform the skincare experience into an enchanting journey. First and foremost, Timeless Beauty's stellar ability is its proven ability to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It's like a skilled illusionist, performing gravity-defying tricks on your skin. By naturally stimulating collagen production, this product creates a kind of magical network that fills and smooths wrinkles, providing a rejuvenating effect. It's as if time has gone backwards, leaving behind visibly younger skin. The second feat of this enchanted product is its ability to keep the skin firmer, preventing the dreaded sagging. Imagine Timeless Beauty as a personal trainer for your skin, encouraging it to maintain a firm, toned appearance. With carefully selected ingredients, this formula acts like a protective spell, strengthening the skin structure and providing a more youthful appearance. It's as if we are giving our skin an elixir of youth that keeps it vibrant and resistant to the signs of aging. The third magic that Timeless Beauty performs is creating an even complexion, dispelling dark spots as if they were dark clouds on a sunny day. Here, this product resembles a skilled artist, painting a perfect picture of radiant skin. Dark spots disappear like unwanted brushstrokes, leaving behind a palette of balanced, luminous tones. It's as if your skin is receiving a spa treatment, where each application is a masterpiece that reveals natural beauty. When using Timeless Beauty, you are participating in a magic show for your skin, witnessing the gradual but impressive transformation that this product offers. Just like a spectator captivated by an illusion show, you will see timelines disappearing before your eyes, replaced by skin that glows with the vitality of youth. It is worth mentioning that the true magic of Timeless Beauty lies in its natural and effective approach. By acting as a collagen stimulator, this product not only camouflages, but works to restore skin health from the inside out. It's as if we are nourishing the skin with an elixir of powerful ingredients that trigger an internal transformation, reflected externally in the form of stunning skin. Each application of Timeless Beauty is like casting a benevolent spell on your skin, promoting an environment conducive to cell regeneration and renewal. It's as if we were cultivating an enchanted garden, where every skin cell blooms with vitality and beauty. The experience of using this product transcends simple cosmetic application, transforming into a magical self-care ritual that nourishes not only the skin, but also the soul. Plus, the confidence that Timeless Beauty inspires is like the glow of a shooting star. By providing tangible results, this product offers not only an aesthetic solution but also an emotional boost. The feeling of having younger, healthier skin is like a magical shield that boosts self-esteem, allowing you to face the world with renewed confidence. It's as if each application is a gentle reminder that beauty is timeless and that taking care of yourself is a powerful form of self-love. Product link in comments.